Homeowners in Knoxville are always looking for practical ways to improve their property's value while making their homes more comfortable and efficient. One of the smartest upgrades you can make is installing vinyl windows. Known for their durability, energy efficiency, and low maintenance, vinyl windows are becoming an increasingly popular choice for homeowners throughout the Knoxville area. Whether you're planning to sell your home in the future or simply want to improve its comfort and appearance, vinyl windows offer several benefits that can significantly increase your home's value. Enhanced energy efficiency. Knoxville experiences a mix of hot, humid summers and cool winters, which means energy efficiency plays an important role in maintaining a comfortable home. Older windows often allow air leaks that make heating and cooling systems work harder than necessary. Vinyl windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Many modern vinyl window models feature double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and advanced sealing technology. These features help keep warm air inside during the winter and prevent hot air from entering during the summer. As a result, homeowners often notice lower energy bills after installing vinyl windows. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly attractive to potential buyers because they reduce long-term operating costs, making your home more appealing in the Knoxville real estate market. Improved curb appeal. First impressions matter, especially when it comes to real estate. The exterior appearance of your home plays a big role in how potential buyers perceive its value. Old, worn, or damaged windows can make an otherwise beautiful home look outdated. Vinyl windows offer a clean, modern look that instantly improves curb appeal. They are available in a wide range of styles, sizes, and finishes that complement different architectural designs commonly found in Knoxville neighborhoods. From traditional double-hung windows to sleek sliding styles, vinyl windows can enhance the overall appearance of your home. Because vinyl frames maintain their color and resist fading, your windows will continue to look fresh for many years, helping your home maintain its attractive appearance. Low maintenance convenience. Many homeowners appreciate upgrades that reduce the time and effort required for home maintenance. Vinyl windows are well known for their minimal maintenance requirements compared to wood or metal alternatives. Unlike wood frames, vinyl does not rot, warp, or require frequent repainting. It also resists moisture, making it ideal for Knoxville's humid climate. Cleaning vinyl windows is typically as simple as wiping them down with soap and water. This low-maintenance feature is especially appealing to prospective buyers who want a home that is easy to care for. When buyers see newer vinyl windows, they know they won't have to worry about costly repairs or upkeep anytime soon. Increased durability and longevity. Vinyl windows are built to last. High-quality vinyl materials are resistant to weather damage, corrosion, and pests. Knoxville's changing weather conditions, from summer heat to occasional winter cold snaps, can be tough on traditional window materials. Vinyl windows are designed to withstand these conditions without cracking, peeling, or deteriorating. Their durability means homeowners can enjoy reliable performance for many years without the need for frequent replacements. This long lifespan contributes directly to your home's overall value because buyers recognize the benefit of a long-term investment that won't require immediate upgrades. Better indoor comfort and noise reduction. Another advantage of vinyl windows is the improvement they bring to indoor comfort. Their insulated construction helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures throughout the home. Additionally, many vinyl windows reduce outside noise. For homes located near busy streets or growing Knoxville neighborhoods, this feature can make a noticeable difference in daily comfort. A quieter, more comfortable home environment is something both homeowners and potential buyers greatly appreciate. A smart investment for Knoxville homeowners. Upgrading to vinyl windows is a practical and cost-effective way to improve both the functionality and value of your home. From energy savings and improved curb appeal to durability and reduced maintenance, vinyl windows provide benefits that make your home more attractive to future buyers. For Knoxville homeowners looking to invest in their property, vinyl windows offer a long-lasting upgrade that enhances comfort today while boosting resale value tomorrow.